So guys, it's about 6 in the morning. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Caatherinenjeri. Usually I do DIY, things to do with handmade creativity, but lately I've been doing a lot of branding for Amiran. Amiran is a company that deals with farmers, like farming products. So good morning guys, good morning. Imagine I'm in Kenya. Look how it looks like. This is new to me. It's like, maybe you can see it very well, it's like you literally can see a few meters away. I'm in a place called Sokomjinga. We are doing branding again, but then when we arrived it kind of was warm. There was no this. And then a few minutes later, this is how it looks like. You see, it's not smoke. That's how it looks like. So here is the shop before, shop number 1, before and after, how it looked like. It was an amazing adventure. Just painting this shop. It was quite old, lot of repairs. I loved it. Here is the shop number 2. And I did not have time to take the video, but here is the image of before and then the image of after. Now the video, you see the difference of what we are doing, just DIYing old shops to new. So that's what we did. Look at that. The last 2 days, that's what we've been doing, and we're just going to put up a banner, and then after putting up a banner we're going to leave, and I will show you the last product. I didn't have time to show you the beginning because we came here on a rush and we had a target to achieve, but at the end of it, that's what I'm gonna show you. You see, let me take you a tour through the images. So guys, I woke up very early because the place where I take breakfast, they told me they are open at 5. So I woke up around 6. I'm thinking the mandazis and the tea will be ready. But when I went there, it was closed, so I want to take a walk again and take some breakfast. After Gilgil, we'll go back to Sokomjinga. Sokomjinga, we did the painting. We left it to dry. That place is super cool, but this place is super cool too. Oh my god, let me show you the sunrise. Anyway, you can see it well in the camera. But yeah, sunrise. Place is open. This is where they're taking breakfast. Finally it's open. In case you're in building, I would recommend this place. It's called Blessed Cafe. Good morning.
Morning.
This place has been an interesting place. You know, if my daughter asks me about the winter season and all that, I'll just bring her here. She can see that. Wait, you see. Let me show you. Check out that. That's a fog. Foggy, the whole place. It looks like it is mushy now. It looks like smoke, but the whole area, that's what it looks like. And there's so many trees. This type of trees, I don't know what type is that. But this place has been, to me, it has been an awesome experience. I have really learned a lot from traveling, from branding, from working hard, painting. Look at that. I just did my nails, but who cares? Learned a lot. I'm looking forward to the next project and the next project and the next project. And let me tell you, like a testimony, one of the things that I like about this work is that I get to travel. And I remember last year telling my friend, like, if I would have a job to travel. Let me turn around so that you see how it looks like. Can you see the fog behind me? No, you can't see. My head is too big right now. But yeah, you can see. So one of the things I told my friends is that I want a job that I can travel around and see different things, and here it is, you know.